James Webb Telescope has its own fridge in space that will make it shiver at -266 degrees Celsius. Hanging in the vacuum of space, nearly 15,000,000 kilometers away from Earth, the James Webb Telescope is cooling down. The mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, and other key equipment on board the world's most powerful observatory are radiating heat into space. But that's not enough to cool it down. Webb has its own high-tech refrigerator on board. The cryocooler on the telescope is circulating cold helium gas on the MIRI optical bench, which will help cool it to about 15 kelvins or nearly -260 degrees Celsius. The cryocooler redirects the circulating helium gas and force it through a flow restriction, and as the gas expands when exiting the restriction, it becomes colder, and can then bring the MIRI detectors to their cool operating temperature of below 7 kelvins, -266 degrees Celsius. However, it's not going to be this simple as turning the valve and letting helium flow. NASA said that if the cooling is not immediately achieved, MIRI will start warming. If MIRI starts warming, it will raise a new challenge for the Webb team since MIRI's detectors need to be colder to be able to detect photons of longer wavelength. MIRI will support the instrument suite to explore the infrared universe with depth and detail that is far beyond anything that has been available to astronomers to date, NASA said. Scientists hope that the instrument will help reveal astronomical targets ranging from nearby nebulae to distant interacting galaxies with a clarity and sensitivity far beyond what we've seen before. All this depends on MIRI being cooled to a temperature below the rest of the observatory, using its own dedicated refrigerator. The instrument has been equipped with 4 coronagraphs, which have been carefully designed to detect exoplanets at temperatures similar to Earth. The detailed colors of exogiant planets, similar to our own Jupiter, can then be measured by MIRI's 2 spectrometers to reveal chemical identities, abundances, and temperatures of the gases of their atmospheres, including water, ozone, methane, ammonia, and many more. Getting this instrument cold is one of the last major challenges faced by Webb before the MIRI team can truly relax, and passing through the cooler's pinch point will be the most daunting step in this challenge. At that time, the cooler will have pulled out almost all of the heat left in MIRI's 100 kilograms, 220 pounds, of metal and glass from that tropical launch day morning, 3 months ago, NASA said. The James Webb Telescope had earlier made global headlines when it dropped the first images of a star that it saw to align its iconic golden mirrors in shape. The telescope is so sensitive that it not only captured the star but hundreds of distant galaxies in the background.